Ridge vents are seriously clutch for keeping your attic dry and stopping moisture problems before they blow up into something bigger like mold or wood rot. So here's the deal with ridge vents and attic moisture control. First off, ridge vents sit right at the peak of your roof, letting hot, moist air escape naturally. You want to pair these vents with soffit vents down low so fresh air can flow in and push that damp air out. Without this airflow, moisture just hangs out in your attic, which can lead to all sorts of nasty stuff. Make sure the vents are installed correctly though, so they don't get blocked by insulation or debris. Keep an eye on your attic for any signs of moisture buildup like stains or a musty smell. If you notice condensation on your rafters or insulation, it's a sign your ventilation isn't cutting it. Also, don't forget to check that the ridge vent is continuous along the roof peak. Gaps or short sections won't let enough air escape. And if you live somewhere humid or get lots of storms, extra ventilation or a dehumidifier might be worth considering. One of the most common mistakes with ridge vents and attic moisture control is poor installation. If the vents are blocked by insulation or not continuous, air can't flow right, causing moisture buildup. Fix that by making sure vents are fully open and clear from any insulation. Another issue is not having enough intake vents like soffit vents. Without fresh air coming in, ridge vents can't push out the moist air effectively. Just add soffit vents, or make sure existing ones aren't clogged to keep airflow balanced. Lastly, ignoring signs of moisture like mold spots or wet insulation can cause bigger headaches down the road. If you catch these early, you can improve ventilation or fix leaks before serious damage happens. BigHomeProjects.com is a lifesaver when you're trying to find trustworthy local contractors who know what they're doing with things like attic ventilation and moisture control. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors to connect with homeowners who actually need their help on big home improvement jobs.